Lila, roar!
What are you doing to Daddy?
Go get those birds. Go get those birds.
She's like, no. They move too fast. I'm kind of slow in the sand. Yeah, that's why it was sandy.
Was a bad choice.
Let's see Little Boo. Hey, Little Boo.
Little Boo's doing so good over here. She got it made in the shade.
Yeah. She did not love her hat too much.
Whoa.
Whoa! Little Boo Angel! Hey, Precious. Just hanging out on Daddy. Lila dumped sand all in your face earlier. Made you very angry. I think we recovered well. There's Lila. Playing with her toys. Lila, you see how pretty the water is here? Doesn't look like this in Texas, huh? No. Lila, what does the lion say? Rah! Can you do it? Rah! Yeah. What's that?